Hey folks, today's another good day. Another beautiful day here in Wisconsin. A few weeks ago, a friend of mine on a cooking forum that I follow on the internet posted something that said that Pringles was releasing some special chips. As soon as I saw that, I went to the store to look for these chips and I couldn't find them, but today I was in the store and I found them. Pringles grilled beer brat flavored chips. I thought it'd be sort of fun to give these a taste test and cook myself up some beer brats and see which I like the best and if these actually taste like beer brats. Let's make some brats. Okay, I have to start off this video with a little confession. I'm a little afraid of making this video. Here in Wisconsin, the way you make brats is sort of a strongly debated topic. Do you pre-boil them or do you just grill them? Today, I'm joining the we're going to boil these in beer before we grill them camp. I'm going to be cooking up some fresh homemade bratwurst. But unlike this can of Pringles that says use Miller Lite beer, I'm going to be using a beer from one of my favorite Wisconsin breweries, Three Sheeps Brewery. This is their Wisconsin-itis Cream Ale. Sort of seems a shame to boil it, but I think it's going to add a lot of flavor to the brats. Start by adding the beer. For a little bit of extra flavor, I chopped up some onions. I'm going to put that in the beer. Now the bratwurst. Like I mentioned, these are homemade bratwurst. These should be really good. We're going to let this come up to a simmer, then we're going to simmer it for about 15 minutes. In Wisconsin, we might have passionate discussions on how you cook bratwurst. Do you boil them or do you just put them on the grill? The one thing we never argue about is whether or not you should use a grill fork to pick up your bratwurst. Never use a grill fork. Only tongs. While the bratwurst continue to simmer, I'm going to heat up that grill. That was easy. Let's put these on the grill. I'm grilling these over sort of a low flame. The idea is to take your time, develop the flavors. These are looking done. My favorite way of having bratwurst. A nice soft bun, a bit of chopped onions, and a good helping of brown mustard. It's time to give these a try. First, the Pringles grilled beer brat chips. First thing I'm getting is some beer aroma off these chips. That could be a good thing, right? Look just like a regular Pringle, but do they taste like regular Pringles? First thing I get is some smokiness, and then a really nice savory flavor. Not at all like regular Pringles. These are good, but do they actually taste like a beer brat? Only one way to find out. Let's try our beer brat. This is good. This hobby I took up of sausage making is pretty fun and very rewarding. So, does this taste like this? Not even close. But really, it's a little bit hard to compete. This is warm, delicious. That brown mustard added a kick to it, and those raw onions, over the top. This is a really good Pringle. And it is so different than any other Pringle I've ever had. I like it. Time to wash it down. I have to say, I'm glad I saw that post on that cooking user group about these Pringle chips. I like them and I hope they keep them around for a while. They are a good tasting Pringles. Now, do they exactly taste like grilled beer brats? Sorta. But I'd opt for the real thing. And as luck would have it, Pringles actually did a different variety too. Beer can chicken. Let me know if you'd like me to try to make beer can chicken and compare it to these chips. I'd give it a try. Thanks for joining me again today on this Throw It On Thursday, a beautiful Wisconsin day. I had a really good day. Hope whatever you guys are doing, you're also having a good day. See you next time.